Good morning. I am doing what I do consistently because consistency is key. So I was sitting down this morning with my notebook trying to start out my plan for what I'm getting ready to step into starting August 1st. And some days I will be out early in the morning. So the woman who inspired me to start the 75 Hard, I want to say that her channel is URS Gets Fit. But I was uploading videos one day and she came up as a suggestion as a result of me uploading my videos. I guess they thought something in YouTube analytic world, thought that we were similar, whatever. I watched it and I followed her journey. Like, she would post so many videos. She wasn't doing like videos every day, but it would be like day 1 through 5, 6 through 10, whatever. I was listening to her just kind of go over the overview and things she would have done differently. And I started researching it. So that's kind of what kicked it off. And then I was like, well, I can't really do 75 hard. I'm going to maybe try and do 75 soft. And then I found Andy's page. And I stopped looking at what other people were saying about it and went to the person who created it. Now, this is a businessman. He did this, again, with not fitness. This was not a fitness challenge. But one of the things that I keep seeing continually was you need to read the book. It is, I wish I would have read the book first before I started. And so I kind of went back and forth, because first of all, I can't find the book anywhere. The book is pretty much sold out, and where it's not sold out, people want ridiculous amounts of money for it. They're crazy. They're insane. I'm not doing it. I'm not paying $100 for a book. But long story short, I said, I'm just going to go ahead and do it. I signed up for his challenge. So like, he sends messages every day, or like every couple of days I'm getting messages from him. So I'm just going to do it. But I've created a plan on what that will look like, because some of my days start at work 6:45, 7 o'clock. For y'all who know me, y'all know what time. I mean, it's supposed to be 7 o'clock most of the day. And I digress. Whatever. They start early. So that means I am going to have to get up early than I already do to get my workout done, the first one. And yeah, the second one will be when I get off work on those days that I work. Now, days when I don't work, it'll be a little bit easier. Maybe, not really. But it won't be as tight because I work 12-hour days. And sometimes those 12-hour days are longer, depending on if I'm on call or, I don't know. So, again, playing with the idea. And I know my subconscious mind, which I also like to say the enemy plays a part in, like, just, why are you doing this? Like, what are you trying to gain from it? And then this morning, because God shows up every single time when you pray and you ask for clarity and you ask for wisdom, God shows up. So remember, this is not a fitness challenge. This is a discipline, strengthen your mind challenge. Proverbs 9, 11, and 12. That's all I needed to read. Like, I was just like, drop the mic right there. Like, when you are searching wisdom, when you want more, when you desire more, when you are searching for something that's good. I've already started to line up the books that I will be reading, setting goals. I don't know if I'll read them all. The minimum is 10 pages a day. Doesn't say that there's a maximum. So if a book is pulling me, of course I'm going to read more. The gallon of water, the 2 workouts, 45 minutes each, 3 hours apart, and take progression photos daily. And I think that's it. Oh, choose a diet. of your choice. I'm on the fence about the Whole30. I've never done it before, but a lady that I walk with has done it. I know someone that I worked with, they had done it. She said they really enjoyed it. And I know that I can get the book for the Whole30 at the library. So, I don't know. I'm going to make a plan, and I'm going to pray to the good Lord for his help, his guidance, and his wisdom. And I just encourage you that whatever you decide to do next, whatever is your next, whatever your goal is, whether it's business, fitness, health, relationship, do what you have to do. Do your part. We can pray, but prayer without works is dead. We can pray, fall, snot, cry, tear, all the things. But if you're not doing what you need to do, it doesn't matter. I believe in you. I just need you to believe in yourself too. Have a great day.